Good morning, Ram fam, and welcome to our Salem Star Weekly Update Show. I'm Troy.
And I'm Sydney.
Today is Friday, May 1st, 2026. Let's see what we have for the National Day of.
Hello Rams, I'm Tayshawn Decker and welcome back to National Day of on the start of this great month. It is National School Lunch Hero Day. Today is dedicated to everyone who makes the cafeteria a better place to be at. This day was inspired by author and illustrator Jared Crossica to honor food service employees, so be extra thankful to everyone who helps make lunch better for you today. Today is also School Principals Day, founded by Janet Delaria of Trout Creek, Michigan. Today is dedicated to all leaders who work really hard to make our schools better. Thank you, Mr. Mulhorn, for everything you do and making our school a better place. That's all we have for today on National Day of. Have an excellent day, everyone, and back to you.
And now let's hear from the voices of our educators.
English language arts. Working with students and like the fun relationships that you make with them. I'm not sure if anything inspired me. I think I just like helping people, and then like as I started helping people and like working with like kids, I kind of fell into it, and I have a lot of fun helping them.
Yearbooks on sale. That's right, our 2026 yearbooks are on sale, so see Ms. Tedesco in the main office. If you want a yearbook to preserve these memories, the yearbooks are only $50 this year.
Our boys bowling team are still selling hoodies, so if you have not purchased a beautiful heavyweight hoodie in royal blue with champions across the front as well as the 2026 NJSIAA bowling on the hoodie with the gold ball and pin, please do so you don't miss out. If you would like to place an order, please see Coach Bergman or Coach Buck. Order forms and pictures of the hoodie can be found in your email. Today is the last day to place your order.
Okay, listen up. It's time to do a good deed. The 2026 Hygiene Drive has started. This is a student-led CAS project to distribute hygiene products to unsheltered individuals. A few of the following products are appreciated: wet wipes, paper towels, toothbrushes and toothpaste, deodorant, and Band-Aids, to name a few. All items are needed by May 6th. You can drop them off in the main office or downtown at Parker Jewelers. To get more details about what to bring, see Troy Carey or Jorlise Maldonado.
It's here. The 10th annual SHS T-shirt blanket raffle is back, guys. That's right. Our student council has put together a stunning one-of-a-kind 80 by 80 blanket featuring your favorite SHS activities, events, and a special spotlight to the class of 2026. The best part is that all proceeds go toward the Student Council Scholarship Fund. You can either enter the raffle one of two ways. The first way, go to our raffle creator link that was emailed to you or see Ms. Johnson in the guidance office. Fill out and submit a raffle form. So good luck to everyone.
IB takes Prague. Last week, two of our IB juniors, Erica Brewer and Gavin Conrad, chauffeured by Mr. Buck, traveled to Europe. They spent 7 days in Prague, the capital of Czech Republic. During this trip, they conducted interviews with community members to better understand local social concerns, while also being able to examine the cultural significance of street art in Prague to better understand social expression and political history. If you see Erica or Gavin later on and would like to hear more about the trip, make sure to ask.
The voter registration link drive took place right here at SHS on Tuesday, April 28th, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The members of the Social Action Committee from Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Inc. were here to register you to exercise your right and vote. Hopefully you all registered during your lunch periods, and if you did, don't forget to vote in November.
And that's all we have for announcements, so let's see how our spring sports teams are doing. I heard someone might have, something special coming up.
I don't know, maybe.
Welcome to our weekly sports update. Yes, some guy named Troy Carey has made school history as the first ever student from SHS to sign a bowling scholarship. On Wednesday, Troy committed to Roosevelt University in Chicago to play one of his favorite sports and to major in sociology. We are so proud to see you take your game to the next level. Enjoy Chicago, and big congrats to you. Here's a quick interview with him. Take a look.
I feel ecstatic, bro. I mean, it's crazy. It's like Jaylon says every time, it's surreal. It's a crazy moment. Just glad that I was able to accomplish this, and glad that I have the people who supported me along the way here with me.
How did you know this was going to be an exceptional season?
Not gonna lie, like just the energy we had after that first game. Like I said, we lost the first game. Everybody knows, and then we went on a crazy 8-9 game run, and it just showed the potential that we have and everything like that, and just showed what the group of guys we have.
Do you have any goals for your next couple seasons?
Just be the best version of me I can be. Just enjoy the experience to a whole, because not many people get to do it. And just be an example for not only me but those who follow.
How do you feel making Salem history as the first bowler to sign?
It feels great. Not gonna lie. Hopefully, some others, follow in the footsteps. I can think of a couple guys who I would love to, see doing it as well at the next level. And it's just great. It's amazing.
The event is amazing. Never really envisioned something like this for the team, period. And for it to happen, with Troy, who is probably the most deserving person that I've ever had on my team in regard to work ethic and concern for the team and for the players. It's a great thing, and I'm proud of him, and I'm proud of this accomplishment. In regard to it being the first time, it's I know it's special. I really know it's special that this is the first time we've done something like this, and I definitely respect that. And at some point I'll be able to think about it in regards to we did something historical. I appreciate the history of the event. I really do. But I guess my answer is that my focus is probably more on the admiration that my team and Troy deserve.
I am super excited for Troy. I'm super excited for his future. I feel like he's got a great future. He's a great kid, great student, great all-around athlete, and I just feel like nothing but up for Troy. I really am very, very proud of him, as well as Mr. Buck and his whole team. As you could see earlier, they were all here representing. Thank you.
Now, let's see our track team is trucking along. Last weekend, the team delivered an impressive showing at the Penn's Relays, highlighted by standout performances from both girls and boys relay squads. The girls 4x100 meter team set a new personal record, powered by a strong lineup of Renaya Parsons-Smith, Amaya Massengill, Anijah Williams, and freshman Dynasty Tucker. Their performance marked a major step forward and showed the group's growing chemistry and speed. On the boys' side, the 4x100 team also made headlines by setting a new season record, with Kwame Bergen anchoring the relay for the first time. The squad delivered a fast and competitive race that signals big potential moving forward. The biggest highlight came in the boys 4x400 relay, where the team earned a third place, bringing home a medal at the Penn's Relay for the first time in decades. Grady Busby, Tim Gregory, Jerry Sills, and Xavier McGriff combined for a historic performance. Congrats to you guys. Our softball team had a really good game against Lower Cape May Tigers. After 2 tough innings, the Lady Rams fought back and tried to recover, but it was not enough, and they fell short 14-10. Even though the Lady Rams lost, they were able to hold the Tigers and prevent them from scoring any runs after the second inning. Chloe Boubier batted 2 for 4, including a double, 3 stolen bases. Gianna Love batted 1 for 5, including a stolen base. Ava Brown batted 1 for 5 with 2 RBIs and a stolen base. Isla Bond, Jalen Dickerson, Maddie Johnson, Phoenix Holland, Akayla Nichols all collected stolen bases for the Rams. Ava Brown pitched all 7 innings and had 9 strikeouts. She even had a great save with a caught line drive towards her face in the top of the 7th inning. Chloe Bouvier and Jalen Dickerson had great catches in the outfield too. Thanks for your great effort and better luck next time. That's all we have for you in this week's Sports Update. Have a great weekend, and as always, Ram Pride!
Dang, it's been a little chilly this week. So let's see how this weekend is shaping up. Here's AJ with more.
Hey Rams, it's Aiden with your weekend weather update. Friday will start off generally sunny despite a few afternoon clouds. It'll be a low of 43 and a high of 65. Saturday you can expect cloudy skies early with a few showers developing later and a low of 46 and a high of 60. Also make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below for more. Alright, back to it. Sunday with a low of 43 and a high of 62. It will be partly cloudy all day. That's all for your weekend weather update. Back to you guys and Ram Pride.
Well, that's all we have for you in this week's show. Be safe, subscribe, have a great weekend, everyone, and as always,
Ram Pride.